Bro, can someone explain to me why the fan is completely peaceful all day, but the moment it's night and I'm trying to sleep, it suddenly starts acting weird? Like bro, during the day it's calm, quiet and chill, but as soon as I close my eyes, it decides to start a full concert. I'll get up, check it, everything looks fine. I lie down again, and it's back at like nothing happened. At this point, I'm convinced the fan just hates sleep. It waits all day like, yeah, I'm gonna ruin his night right when he's about to dream. Like, can it just be normal for once?